So it's January 2nd. Sit, sit, sit. Good girl. Good girl. Stay, stay. All right. So this is Carolee Bell and Ada Bell, and we're here at the Blue House. It's January 2nd, 2020. It's January 2nd, 2020, right? Because your birthday was yesterday, January 1st. You turned 1 year old. Yay, Ada. Happy birthday, Ada. And, sit. And we're here on what is hopefully Forever Foods Farm, restorative perennial agriculture farm. Kind of want to focus on elderberry, I think. And it's day one, pretty much. So, what happened on day one? It was not very exciting, farm-wise. So, I have no internet. And Xfinity Comcast came today. They had already laid a line in from, good 300 yards, 300 feet away a couple months ago, and they came to hook it up today. I need to have the house hardwired, so no Wi-Fi. I think it kind of threw him off a little bit, the worker. And he came in and he got me to the hallway, to the modem. So we went under the house and got the wire, the cable run into the modem, and got me turned on and everything. So now I need to go through the rest of the house and set up Ethernet in the walls. And yeah, so that is going to be my first fun farm project, getting me hardwired in. No Wi-Fi for me. It causes my autoimmune disease to flare. So anyway, let me just show you a little bit. Here we go. Let's turn around. Anyway, we'll show you a little bit about. So that, my friends, down that way is where the cable came in, and then it came down this driveway and down this way to the side, and you kind of still see we're dug up a little bit, and came around the house, and here's my new box. Woohoo! Cable right here, and we have the ground wire. This is what they put in the ground right here. That's what they put in the ground, and then it goes up into the box. This is where it goes into the house, and here's the ground. Everything kind of connects in there, and then it goes up under the house in here. Yeah, so that is. See everybody in the backyard. Hi guys. Oh, sorry Ada. Sorry girl. So I'll have to give you a tour sometime of the farm. It's very not in good shape at all, but hopefully we can change that.